Welcome to Ashes Grove in the Breightmet area of Bolton on a glorious sunny afternoon, and we're here to look at this 3-bedroom semi-detached property. We've got a lovely sweeping long driveway which leads to the garage. There's plenty of off-road car parking. You can see here how the property's had a new roof, and the gardens at the back are absolutely fantastic. I'm going to spin the camera around just so you get an idea of the position. We set in a cul-de-sac. Just beyond the cul-de-sac here you can see we've got sort of the central green with the grass and the mature trees. The position is fantastic, and there's some beautiful views from upstairs. Let's go inside and we'll have a look around. So welcome inside. We've stepped into the entrance hallway, and I'll just show you quickly in here. So we've got the meter cupboard, cloak storage space from the reception hallway, and then now we're stepping into the living room. As you can perhaps see, we do have the option here to either close off or retain and keep them open as one big room. So I'm just going to call this the living room and presume that we'll close the doors off, because even with it closed, it's an excellent size. Both of these rooms are a good size. So this is the living room. Nice big UPVC window with fitted blinds to the front. The same floor flows all the way through, and then into the dining room where we've got the double doors which open out onto the rear garden. Again, we've got the fitted blinds. The stairs are off up to the first floor, where there's 2 bedrooms at the master with the ensuite. This is probably bedroom number 3, depending on how you want to use the space. Would be equally as good as a 3rd reception room, but I think it works well as a 3rd bedroom, this. And we've got the ground floor shower room next door, which is designed for being accessible, really. Relatively low level electric shower, white WC, wash hand basin, ceramic wall tiling, UPVC window, extractor, and it's sort of like the wet room, shower room design with the drain there. And these of course can be closed off. As we step towards the rear of the property, this is into the kitchen. So it's a lovely professionally fitted kitchen with a nice range of matching drawers, base and wall cabinets. Oven grill, electric hob with extractor over. We've got the main gas combination central heating boiler in here. I'll show you that. It's quite a nice modern model. That UPVC window and the door out onto the rear garden, of course. Before we look at the rear garden, I will show you upstairs, which, as you've seen, is just through the dining room and up these stairs. So we stepped up the stairs from the dining room and we're on the 1st floor landing, where there's 2 bedrooms. So we're stepping into the 1st bedroom, which has got the fitted wardrobes, the built-in storage space on there, feature wallpaper to one wall, nice thick carpeting when it's lovely and warm with the sunshine coming in from this big window at the front. Just to show you, that's the aspect to the front. So it's a lovely position looking forwards, because we're at the head of the cul-de-sac. Neutrally decorated, of course. Then we're stepping into the ensuite shower room. So we've got the sink, access to eaves storage space, dual flush WC, and then the corner shower enclosure in there. So I've called this the master bedroom just because it's got the ensuite. I think that works pretty well. And then as we cross the landing, we're then going into what I've called bedroom number 2. So the good thing about in here is we've got lots and lots of professionally fitted bedroom furniture. So dressing table and drawers, mirror, storage space, wardrobes, bridging cabinets, more storage space and more drawers on this side. You might just be able to see that through the window as I hold the camera just ever so slightly up. Just beyond the rooftops, beautiful views. And then looking back this way, very light room, because we've got windows to the front and the rear. And I think what I'll do now is I'll nip outside and I'll show you the rear garden. So we've stepped outside and we're in the rear garden, and it's such a fantastic size. It really is. This is the garage, of course, here, so it extends out a little bit behind there and then fans out right into this corner and comes all the way down. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to walk to this corner and just look back at the building, but I'm just going to be mindful that the sun is just coming over the top onto the rear garden. So it's, yeah, it definitely gets the sunshine here. So you can see the dormer up at the top. This one on that side there, of course, is where the ensuite is, and that's bedroom number 2. So we've got really nice laid lawn garden, well stocked borders with nice mature trees and shrubs which just enhance the privacy. And then as we follow it up through here, we've got a variety of terrace and patio space. This is the back of the garage, of course. I tell you what, it's a really nice day for drying your clothes outside. Absolutely fantastic garden. You can see the excellent roof that's on there as well. Really is a bit of a one-off, this property. Absolutely stunning inside and out. And of course, we've got the accessibility ramps. Just if somebody's, I don't know, using a wheelchair, using a pushchair or whatever, these might be really useful for coming and going. Fantastic gardens, really is. Any queries, any questions, please give us a call. Cardwell's Letting Agents, Bolton, 01204 381 281 381 281.